Okay, so this is a quick and easy way to check how your particular class is doing. You're going to set up a group and then run a report on your group. Super simple. So the first thing you're going to do is create your group. We're going to go to students and then student groups. And then we're going to hit create group up here on the right. And then we're going to hit, well, we're going to name it. So name it, I would add the year. So put your name and then whatever year it happens to be. So you can do that any way you want to do it, just so that you remember what your group name is. Then you're going to select students. Now, to make this easy for you, hit filters and choose your grade level. Now only the second grade students show up. And I'm just going to put a check on the ones that are mine, for example, and then we're going to hit select when we're done. Now, if you have more than the one page, you'll have to arrow over to the right and then check some more on the second page. And then when you're all done, hit the blue select button. Okay, now my students are in there. I can see them all right here. And I'm going to hit create. So now that group is created. You can see how many students are in there. Now I'm going to check to see how my students have done on Xello. So I'm going to go to reports, by lesson progress, completion by lesson, and I'm going to check construction site. So here's construction site. Now I'm going to go over to filters and choose my group that I just made. So I got to find it in here. Here's test 23-24. That's the one I just made. So now I'm going to hit apply. And now it just gives me the data for my class. And you can see it shows you who has not started and who has completed that lesson. So that's how you check. Just takes a couple of seconds to set up your group, and then it makes it a lot easier to check for each of the lessons that you're required to do.